Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. I am Nela Anissa. I will explain the article. The title is Teacher Difficulty Teaching During the Pandemic. The structure of structure article, abstract, introduction, body of article, conclusion, and suggestion. Abstract. This abstract consists of 100 to 150 words according to the term of the journal text. The abstract is about the method, the purpose, the object, the result of the articles, and the conclusion of the articles. Method. This paper uses a conceptual research method that provides information about a particular topic. Purpose. The purpose of this study is to give more information regarding teacher difficulties teaching during the pandemic. Object. The obstacles teachers face during the online learning is that student lacks of understanding when undertaking the process of online learning. Result. Teachers not being face-to-face and teachers can hardly keep track of the student learning development. Conclusion. In short, the process of online learning creating learning difficulties for teachers, students, and parents. Introduction. The introduction consists topic and elimination of the discussed topic. Topic. The study of the COVID-19 pandemic makes tremendous changes as if the wall into of education start at an early age, grade school, junior high school, senior high school, and to the university. Fourth, to adapt suddenly for home study through online learning. The transition of learning from face-to-face become and online learning brings up a lot of obstacles for the teachers. Elimination. The COVID-19 pandemic may be different because her teaching habits always come face-to-face in class. Now, teachers teach online, while studying in school. Teachers deliver the material directly in the classroom. Describe in detail the material from beginning to end. And can monitor student understanding directly for the material being presented. When students do not understand, sometimes teacher asks questions. At this time of online learning, teacher is having trouble monitoring the development of study learning. Body article. The cause of online learning, chain learning, teacher difficulty teaching during the pandemic, student difficulties in learning, and teacher difficulty teaching during the pandemic, and the difficulty of parents from COVID-19. The cause of online learning. Online learning comes as a result of COVID-19. COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a form of coronavirus that has been discovered. The virus is derived from outbreak in Wuhan and China in December Then this COVID-19 thing became a pandemic are happening in various countries all over the world. According to experts, the coronavirus is a large family that can infect birds and mammals are also human. Changing learning. Face-to-face learning changed in class into an online conversion of learning at home has resulted in some consequences. This learning change using the internet to make students more creative with technology. Early changes in learning that were made face-to-face. It is turning to online makes everyone feel partnered. Teacher and student are the most related elements with this online learning. During a face-to-face learning process, the class was filled with an abundance of students. Teacher difficulty teaching during the pandemic. While studying in school, teachers deliver direct learning material in class, explain the material in detail to her students, and it can be easier to give understanding to students when there are students who are ignorant of the teacher explanation. Teachers may invite students to ask questions at this time of online learning. Teachers have a hard time keeping track of their students during the learning process. Teachers have difficulty delivering material to their students. That is not all. A teacher difficulty in giving a learning motivation to his or her student because of this who feel unsupervised as a learning question. Student difficulties in learning. This online learning disorder very damaging student in learning, especially for students who come from rural areas. In rural areas, to access to the internet is very difficult. The students who are in normal condition have been having a breakdown in access to education. They are they are currently running into auxiliary track that come from inequality in accessing technology. The difficulty of parents from COVID-19. In home study, in the middle of the parent-teacher road line, parents must monitor their children learning. A parent has to chaperone the learning at home. If there is a lesson the students do not understand, then they will ask their parents. It is case not all parents understand lesson because their parents did not school. It causes difficult parents to understanding the lesson and motivate children to assist with home study. Conclusion. The long-distance learning process is carried out today. This is not the ideal learning condition. It was an emergency that must be done. Obstacles remain so that all of the learning is not optimal. Despite varying and obstacles, but still called do the learning by online, there is a teacher constraint in doing online learning to the student among its student lack of understanding. When, when undertaking the process of online learning, this is because students do not understand with the learning taught by a teacher, not being face to face, and teachers are hard to keep track of student learning. An even more important key factor is that lack of facilities for students with studying online because not every student has a cell phone as as a learning medium. Another factor is the vastful use of internet packages and internet networks in remote or talk. That is what causes the teacher constraints in learning. Suggestion: my advice I can give to the next research research shall provide a data increase and decreasing the learning process. That data can be presented in the form of diagram to further support article. With that diagram data, we can find out whether this is the COVID-19 have a negative or positive impact. Of which positive and negative impacts in dominant. What are some of the benefits of this online learning that may help to support the following articles? Researchers also describe the topic becomes longer and clearer, then researchers might supplement or topics from this article and provide solution. Uh, Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.